So hey awesome people, welcome back to my new video, and in this video we will see how we can get back our forgotten username. We know there is a way to reset password, but is there any way to get back our forgotten username? So stick with this video and let's see how we can retrieve our forgotten username. So in this scenario, we are not able to log in our account because we forgot our username, and the login page is not allowing us to log in using our email. So what we have to do now? Click on forgot password and enter your email address. The reset email has been sent. Let's go and check our email. And here is your username. So using this trick, if you're on your friend's computer, then you can get his username and log in his accounts. So now it's your time to hack that subscribe button. Just click on the subscribe button and make it great, and share this to your friends if you like it. So thank you for watching this video. Hope see you in next video with more new tips and tricks.